How to make money via affiliate marketing. Do you want to learn more about the exact process of making money via affiliate marketing, but you don't know how to get started? People think that affiliate marketing is related to generate a lot of money without making any effort. But nothing comes without making an effort. And you have to put in some hard work to achieve something. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, this video will be beneficial for you. Today, we're going to discuss some quick primers about how to make money via affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Before diving into the exact process, you need to know about what is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you have to promote the products from the retailer, and with every sale from your reference, you will get a commission. It is one of the cheapest and easiest ways of marketing because you're not buying or selling any product in affiliate marketing. The only thing you need is to build a linked connection between the buyer and seller so that you can take a commission whenever a sale is made through that link. There are a lot of companies and brands that offer an affiliate program related to their product. You can sign up for the relevant affiliate program related to your niche, and they will give you a unique link for tracking sales. You have to use this link whenever you promote their product. Now I think you have an idea about affiliate marketing, so let's get started with our main thing. How to make money via affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a passive income source, but still it has high competition. But there's a room for you if you're passionate about it. In order to become successful with your affiliate marketing empire, you have to check out for strategies that are still working. Also, understand the do's and don'ts in the affiliate marketing business. Things required for starting affiliate marketing. Well, before starting affiliate marketing, you need a medium where you will promote your products. A medium can be a website or a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media page. Now, let's take a look at the following steps in order to make money with affiliate marketing. Choose your niche and products. First things first, before diving into affiliate marketing, you need to find a niche. Finding a place is essential because it helps you to understand the interest of your audience, post relevant content to their interest, and promote the products they can need. Take a notepad, write down the things of your interest, and select a niche from that. For example, I have an interest in writing. I'll find writing tools with affiliate programs, and I'll promote them on my blog or YouTube channel with a detailed tutorial. When you choose a niche from your interest, you'll not get bored while working, but make sure that is less competitive. You can check out product categories of different online stores to find relevant products in your niche. Create a website or a YouTube channel. After choosing your niche and products, you have to decide where you'll promote your products. Creating a blog and a YouTube channel are two different things. One is about writing and the other is about creating videos. But both of them have a common similarity, that is SEO, the amount of time you have to invest as well as hard work. So, if you're good at writing and you understand the needs of the search engine, then go for creating a blog. But if you think that you're confident enough to make videos, then select YouTube as your medium. Use different traffic sources. After creating your channel or blog, make sure to post quality content that meets the requirements of your audience. The next thing is to bring traffic from other sources such as social media. If in case you have no audience of social media, start running ads for your channel towards your sales page. In this way, you'll receive traffic from different sources. Don't dive straight into making sales. And the main thing is to grow your audience first. After that, worry about the sales. Sign up for affiliate programs. Signing up for an affiliate program is where you'll get your tracking link and commission. There are different affiliate programs provided by several companies. All you need to do is select one. But make sure to sort out the following things before getting started: the amount of commission you'll receive, how many sales you'll make per day, how much traffic you'll need to generate sales. Check out the latest methods and techniques. There are different resources available on YouTube and Google that are carried by experts affiliates. So, if you want to keep going with the pace, you have to adapt to newly developed methods and techniques. These days, everyone is willing to make passive income via affiliate marketing. So make sure to stay updated with the latest techniques and methods in order to be successful. Use tools to boost your campaign. In order to get better with your strategy, there are different tools available in the market that can help you with market research, keyword research, competitive analysis. If you're looking to find trending topics, you can use apps like BuzzSumo and Feedly. For tracking your progress on social media, Buffer is highly recommended. For tracking the links on your link, you can use Bitly. For keyword research, you can use various free tools, but I recommend Ahrefs for that. If you have a YouTube channel, you can purchase an all-in-one tool such as TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Be patient. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money, but you have to be patient. You have to add tons of quality content to your blog or YouTube channel in order to attain higher ranks in the SERPs. This process can usually take up to 3 to 4 months, but it is worth the time. Master the art of SEO. In most of the cases, affiliate marketers derive most of their traffic from social media networks such as Pinterest. But the only constant way to gain loads of traffic is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. No matter if you're running to a blog on WordPress or a YouTube channel or an Instagram page, SEO is equally important for every medium. Final thoughts. Everyone has a different process for affiliate marketing. Some learn from others and some learn from their own experiments. So, whatever choice you make while learning, make sure that it's good enough for you.